y'all, welcome and thanks for joining me for part one of our kitchen makeover series, the demo. So this is what the kitchen looked like when we first purchased the home. Very outdated. I have no clue why they put these wood panels up there. I absolutely hated those. The cabinets were in terrible shape. They basically slapped paint over cabinets that should have been replaced. It looks bad. I'm so excited to get this started and get everything replaced. We'll be cutting out all the panels and the bad patch job on the ceiling. So let's get to it.
Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. I be coming back to back, yeah. Right by your neck, yeah. Say you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to stretch it, what's up? Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. No, I ain't these other hoes, and boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get there way faster. Maybe not you here to stay, we'll see how it plays active. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. Wonder how you give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood. But you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now, feelings is deeper now. Get some lips, know I like to kiss, baby. Making trips, had to get away, baby. Wasn't fixed, all in our business. Ain't no distraction about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give in, but get to be like. I want to feel good, but you ain't mine sometimes. But it can't go to waste. Any nigga who can take it back. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way fast. Maybe not you here to stay, we'll see how it plays active. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. Wonder how you give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood.
It was not the easiest to pull this stuff out. They used 3-inch nails and it was up there good.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range I heard.
As you can see, I was on the struggle bus, but I eventually got there and got it all down.
Came home and sorry, they say conversation. Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
kitchen was in terrible shape. There was no reason that they put granite countertops on cabinets that were in this condition. Terrible.
Window, tell MC I to cut the phone post, break my lease so I can move, cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block, FAOL, make my email stop, cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my people, you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. Cause 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my milk bottle. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, what now? I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much as you do. I give them back to me through you. And so what? My mama likes you. Like you. Now I guess you think I will too. Even if the folks say they like you too. I don't really care cause you
Y'all, that granite was so heavy, and that was the small piece. So we'll be reusing the granite countertops, not the backsplash pieces, so we got rid of those, but we put the granite somewhere safe. We brought in a real muscle to do the demo. This side had to wait because I could not lift that granite by myself.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should have kept from losing the best of me. I worry that
Now, what in the world made me think I could cut through that drywall like that? So I had to go back to the drawing board and pull out the big guns. This is my mini circular saw. I love this thing. I set the blade depth to a little over half an inch, which is how thick the drywall is, to make sure I wasn't cutting through anything.
all the while, I wave my arm, feel and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, too big in my mind. Help me on my fears, my memory. Since I disappeared, if you left me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit.
Thank y'all so much for joining me today. And if you're interested in following along on this journey of making over our 1966 fixer upper, please do subscribe, and hope to see you back next time.
No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight.